class 11 students. How are you? Today I'm going to discuss accountancy, uh, cash book. Okay, this is chapter 9, example 5, and day 6. Already I made 5 video on this chapter. Today I'm going to make you for you video number 6. Try to understand the concept of this chapter. Okay, class 11, cash book. Okay, try to understand the concept at first. Which type of concept? Contra. In this video I will discuss you contra. What is contra? Okay, in previous video already I discussed regarding little things about contra. What do you mean by contra? In this video I will discuss more things and more transition regarding contra entry. Try to understand the concept at first, then you will understand it properly without any problem. Contra means what? Contra. What is contra? Try to understand the meaning of contra. Contra means the amount written in the cash column, receipt side or debit side. If cash is introduced in the bank column, if it is directly into the bank with the explanation. Okay. So try to contra is what? Some transactions are recorded in triple column cash book, which related to both cash and bank. Both cash and bank. Both cash and bank. Okay. Both cash and bank. Clear? Balance of one increase and that of the other increase due to such transaction. Such transactions are entered on the both side of cash book. Such entries are known as contra entries. Contra entries. Okay. Now I am going to give you some examples. Then you can understand it very easily without any problem. What is contra? Cash deposited into the bank. Cash deposited into bank. Rupees 20,000. What is the entry? Bank account debit to cash. In cash column you will write bank account debit to cash by bank. Okay, by bank you will write. Okay, and here you will write okay by bank. So in this transaction bank account is to be debited. In this transaction bank account is to be debited. Which account? By bank. In this transaction bank account is to be debited and cash account is to be credited. Okay, so bank account debit to cash. Okay, this is debit, credit. Debit aspect is recorded on the receipt side, on the receipt side and receipt side or debit side, receipt side or debit side. Clear? Of the bank column, and credit aspect is recorded on the payment side. On the payment side. Okay, or credit side in the cash book. Credit side of the cash column. Clear? And next entry is what? 2 number. Cash withdrew from bank for office use. Cash withdrew from bank for office use. Rupees 10,000. So in this transaction cash account is to be cash withdrew from bank for office use. Okay, what is the journal entry? Cash account debit to bank. Okay, 10,000. Clear? So cash account debit to bank. To bank. Okay, 10,000. Clear? try to understand. This is receipt side, this is receipt, this is payment side. Okay, this is buy, this is to. Okay, try to understand the concept. In this transaction, cash account is to be debited, cash account is to be debited, okay, and bank account is to be credited. Cash account is to be debited and bank account is to be credited. Clear? Debit aspect is recorded on the receipt side, debit aspect is recorded into the receipt side. This is debit. Okay, a debit side in the cash book, and credit aspect is recorded on the payment side, on the payment side of bank column. Okay, try to understand. In this video I have discussed you what is contra. In this way, check rupees 15,000 received from Jasith. Okay, so check received from check receipt means what? So bank account debit to Jasith. These are the entries of contra. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel.